Look at this. To understand the decimal, you must learn the place value first. So before we are going to enter into the decimal numbers, we must know the place value of decimal numbers. So that is what I did. To understand the decimal, you must learn the decimal place value, decimal place value first. So first there are two parts. One is a whole part, other one is a decimal part. Whole part is whole number part, that is 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tenths, that you know it very well. So 10,000, 5 10,000, 4,000 and 2 hundreds, then 3 tens and 6 ones. This is a what? This is a whole number part. Okay, up to this. So from this to this, whole number part. What do you call it as? Whole number part. Okay. And the next part is, what is this? This is a decimal parts. So we must know that tens first, T-E-N-T-H-S. So remember the spelling is very essential. T-E-N-T-H-S. T-E-N-T-H-S, tens. H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H-S. H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H-S. Hundreds, normal spelling. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, hundreds. That is a normal spelling. After that, you must add only T-H-S. It's called as hundreds. Tenth. So T-E-N, ten as it is. After that, you must write T-H-S. So tens. Okay. Next is thousandth. Thousandths. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Thousand is a common spelling. After that, you must add T-H-S. So for 10, you must add T-H-S. Hundreds place value, you must add T-H-S. And thousand place value, you must add T-H-S. So tens, and after that, what you are going to say? That is hundreds, then thousands. Okay, that is what. So in the tens place value, the number is 6. So in the hundreds place value, the number is 2. The thousands place value, number is 4. So how we are going to write this? So this part is called as a what? This part is called as, up to this. This is a decimal part. We can call it as a decimal part. So decimal part. So you must write the number now. See, look at this number: 5, 4, 2, 3. That is 6. That is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and 54,236. So this is a whole part, whole number part, and after that you must put a point. This point is called as a what? Decimal point. What point it is? Decimal point. Decimal point. And this is called as a whole number part. Whole number. N-O, it is nothing but whole number part. The remaining is 6 to 4. What is this? 6 to 4. So you should not say 624. You should not, after the point, that means while you put a point, that is called as a decimal point. After the point, you should not say 624. You must say 6 to 4. That is called as 6 to 4. So 6 tens, 2 hundreds and 4 thousands. So 6 to 4. 54,200, and you should not say 54236. So only after the point only you must say 6 to 4. That is after the decimal point you must say the place value of the number. You must use only the what? 6 to 4. 6 to 4 like this. So you have to say the numbers, only the numbers. So 54,236.624. 624, that's 6 tens and what is this? 2 hundreds and 4 thousands. Again we'll repeat: 54236. The whole number part is called as a what? This is a whole number part. How could you say this number? 54,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 54,236.624. That is 624 is 6 tens and 2 hundreds and 4 thousands. This is the place value. So after that, this is a word form and this is a standard form. 1/10. So we can call it as 1/10th. So the 1/10 it is called as 1/10th. So for the decimal value 0.1. For 300s, this is an example. This is an example of word form and standard form. So this is a 300s. We can call it as 300s. This is standard form 3/100. This is called as 3/100 is called in word form. It is How could you say 3 by 100 in word form? 300th. Okay, so we must write, we could write as a what decimal point? 0.03. I have already explained very clearly 3 by 100. So 3 is a numerator and 100 is a what denominator. In the denominator there are 2 zeros. In the numerator only 1 digit. So you need one more digit, but you don't have one more digit. So you have to write 0 point after that. 0 is whenever you convert into decimal, fraction is converted into decimal number. So you have to first you have to write 0, after that you must put a point, then you have to write 03. Why do you write 03? That is nothing but this is 0 is a 10th place and 3 is a 100th place. 3 is a 100th place. Here 2 digits, here only 1 digit. So you need one more digit, but there is no digit. That's what you must put 0. That's what you must add 0. 0.03. Even though you can write like this, I taught you 3, after that 0, then you must put a point, then before the point you must write 0. This also you can write, otherwise first you have to write 0, then you have to put a point, then I've told you there are 2 digits, so but here only 1 digit. In the denominator, how many zeros? That means 2 zeros. So that is 2 digit. Here only 1 digit. So you need one more digit. So that is what, if you don't have one more digit, you have to write what? 0 after that. What is the number is given in the numerator? So 03. So this is the what? After 0.03 you must call it as, and after that 0 is in 10th place and 3 is in a 100th place. I think you understand. The next example is 1 and 27 hundredths. That is 1 and 1 is a whole number and 27 by 100. 27 hundredths. 27 hundredths. So 27 hundredths and 27 divided by 100. It is in a fraction form. So overall, if we can call it as a what? It is a what? It is a mixed fraction. It is a mixed fraction. So 1 is a whole number and remaining is a proper fraction. So whole number is not, what is this? Mixed fraction is nothing but composed of a whole number and a proper fraction. That is what given 1 divided 1 and 27 by 100. 1 and 27 by 100. That is what you begin 1 and 27 hundredths. 1 and 27 hundredths. That is the what? 1 and what is 1? 27, 1 and 27 by 100. So 1 is a whole number. After that point, you have to write 0.27. That is what, whatever the numerator, you have to write like this. After the point, you have to write 27. 27 we can call it as 1.27. 1 is a whole number. While you convert the mixed fraction into what? That is a decimal number. So first you have to write the whole number as it is. Then you have to write, see here I have told you already. So numerator is 27 and denominator is 100. So how many digits, sorry, how many zeros in hundreds? 2 zeros. Here 2 digits are here. So there is no problem. So 1, after that you must put a point. This point is called as a decimal point. So you have to write 27. 1.27. That's the answer for this question. And 8 thousandths. We can, it is in a 8,000 a word form, and this is in a what standard form? 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000. After that you are going to write, see here, look at the denominator. So 3 zeros. Here only 1 digit. So you have to write 2 more digit, but there is no digit, there is no number here. So if there is no number, you have to add what? 0. So you have to add 2 zeros after the point. Then you have to write the numerator. What is the number in the given? What is the number given in the numerator? So 0.008. So this is 0.0. So you convert the decimal means you have to what? You have to write 0. After that you must put a point. That point is called as a decimal point. After that you must write 008. So 0.008 convert a fraction into a decimal. That's answer. So 75 thousandths. 75 thousandths. This is a word form. This is standard form. 75 by 1000. It is in a what standard form? It is a fraction. So for word form you have to write 75 thousandths. So what you are going to write? So 0.075. So why I write 0 here? Because there are 3 digits, 3 zeros, but here only 2 digits. So you need one more digit. That is what I've written, what, 0. This is what, this 0, it's what is tens place, and this 0, sorry, this 0.0 is a decimal. It represents the decimal. After that you must put a point, that is called as decimal point. After that you have to write the what, after that you have to convert this fraction into decimal. So 0.75, 0 in a tens place, and 7 is in a hundreds place, and 5 is a thousands place. This also same here. So 0 is in what, 0 is a decimal, represent decimal, and point is considered as a decimal point. After that 0, first 0 it's in tens place, and after this 0 is hundreds place, and this 8 is in thousands place. 1.27, it is a whole number. After that you must put a point, then you have to write 27. This is in tens place and this is in hundreds place. I think you understand clearly.